I am Santosh and you are watching my channel Fun Science. Today's topic will be on surface tension. Then what is surface tension? The surface tension is the tendency of the fluid surfaces to shrink into the minimum area as possible. This surface tension allows some water insects like water striders to float and slide on water surfaces. Due to the cohesive forces, a molecule is pulled in every direction by the neighboring liquid molecule, resulting in a net force of 0. In this picture, we can see the molecule at the surface do not have the same molecules on all sides of them and therefore are pulled inward. This creates some internal pressure and forces the water surface to shrink into the minimum area. Friends, let's do some cool experiments on surface tension. Because of the surface tension of the water, this paper clip is not sinking in the water. You can clearly see the surface tension here. Take some water in a plate and put some chalk dust over the water. Okay guys, now see the magic. First, oh my god, nothing has happened. Let's say the magic mantra, abracadabra. See guys, you can see the magic here. This is because I have used liquid soap, so that liquid soap breaks the surface tension of the water. Because of that, the dust particle moves apart. This experiment is my favorite one. I have used OHP sheet to make tiny boats like this. You can see how tiny it is. And I have inserted camphor in the slit of this boat. Okay friends, now let's go and put them into the water and see what happens. These tiny ships are moving forward due to the camphor particle fixed in the tail. Camphor has the capacity to dissolve gradually in water. This decreases the surface tension of water around the camphor particle. So water moves from the region of high surface tension to the region of low surface tension. Due to this movement of water, the ship moves forward. Wow, that was amazing. Friends, if you like the video, please share and comment. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.